Hola clase, hoy nosotros hablamos de deber y otros verbos, should and other verbs. La meta para este video, yo puedo usar deber en contexto. Normalmente conjugamos los verbos en una frase. We know that normally when we use verbs in a sentence, we need to conjugate them to show who is doing the action. Por ejemplo, yo hago ejercicio 3 veces por semana. Mi familia y yo comemos la cena a las 6. ¿Qué bebes cuando practicas deportes? Mis amigos y yo compartimos la pizza en los fines de semana. You'll see we've conjugated the verbs because that shows who our subject is. That shows who is doing the action. Pero cuando tenemos dos verbos en la misma cláusula, conjuguemos el primero, pero usamos el infinitivo para el segundo. When we have two verbs in the same clause, that means the same part of the sentence, the same action, we conjugate the first but leave the second in the infinitive. You already know how to do this when using me gusta. Me gusta beber los refrescos. Me encanta patinar en el parque. ¿Te gusta practicar deportes? You guys already know that after gusta, we use the infinitive of the next verb. Think about it how we speak in English. We don't say, I like, I drink. We say, I like to drink. We use the infinitive. That's how it works in Spanish as well. Me gusta beber los refrescos. Me encanta patinar en el parque. ¿Te gusta practicar deportes? We already have a conjugated verb here in gusta and encanta. So the second verb is just the infinitive. Yo necesito leer. I need to read. Ustedes necesitan estudiar. You guys need to study. Again, we've already conjugated the first verb in this clause. Necesito, I need. Ustedes necesitan, you all need. So the next verb can simply be in the infinitive form. Yo necesito leer, ustedes necesitan estudiar. I need to read, you guys need to study. Deber is the verb that we're going to look at a lot in this chapter. Deber means should. Yo debo, tú debes, él, ella, usted debe, nosotros debemos, ellos, ellas, ustedes deben. A lot of the times, the verb deber is followed by another verb. For example, yo debo beber más agua. I should drink more water. Ustedes deben comer las verduras. You guys should eat vegetables. Tú debes hacer ejercicio 3 veces por semana. You should exercise 3 times per week. Now, just like we just talked about, when we have two verbs, which we do here, deber is our first, should. Beber is our second, to drink. We conjugate the first. We leave the second in the infinitive. I should drink more water. Ustedes deben comer las verduras. You guys should eat the vegetables. Tú debes hacer ejercicio. You should. We conjugated our deber. You should hacer ejercicio. Do exercise. Okay, we conjugate the first. The second verb stays in the infinitive. A practicar. Let's practice first with just our forms of deber, since that's our main verb. Escribe la forma correcta de deber. If you need to go back in the video to see the forms one more time, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, write the correct form in the sentence. You should have, en número 1, yo debo comer menos azúcares. Número 2, nosotros debemos comer las ensaladas para el almuerzo. Tú debes practicar el español. Ellos no deben beber mucho jugo. Ella debe visitar al doctor. She should visit the doctor. Y una vez más a practicar. Escribe cada frase en español. Look at these sentences and think about the verb deber. which again means should. Go ahead and write a sentence en español to express this idea. Por ejemplo, I should eat fruit. I know that I say I should with the verb deber in the yo form, so yo debo. We know to eat is comer las frutas. Yo debo comer las frutas. Ustedes escriben números 1, 2, 3, 4 y 5 en sus apuntes. Pause the video so you can do that. Y adiós, nos vemos mañana.